Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. I'm LB0 Fox India Morton. And a little while ago, I tested a Parks on the Air activation at a park with a 9-to-1 unun and didn't really get any good results. And I got a lot of comments on that video. So as you saw in my last video, I opened the unun up and figured out that it was broken. So no wonder it didn't work. So I got a new 9-to-1, the same kind of 9-to-1 as you saw. I compared the two ununs in my last video. I'll link it right up here so you can see that video if you haven't seen it. I got a new unun and I'm going to use that one today. Same antenna setup, same park, Lima Alpha 0876 if I remember correctly. If not, I'll do as usual, put it over here so you can see the correct park number. And we're just gonna set up our equipment and see what happens. So let's go ahead and take a look at the station setup today. I tried to replicate it as good as possible from the last activation here. Down here at the base of my DX Commander pole, I got a 9-to-1 Chinese unun from eBay running up the DX Commander 10-meter pole and over in an inverted L, and I'm not really sure if you can see where it ends up, but trust me, it's in somewhat of an inverted L here. Also, I have my standard radial net here of consisting of 8 5-meter radials with soda beams wire, and I've upgraded the shack a little bit today. It's a little bit chilly today as well, but -2 degrees Celsius. Today I'm in my 2017 Nissan Leaf, as with the other vehicle, an electric vehicle, which doesn't really produce a lot of noise. Just check out Josh over at Ham Radio Crash Course. He's got a video on noise from electric vehicles, and especially a Nissan Leaf like this one. And today's shack is the X6100, powered by a 5 amp hour LiFePO 4 battery here. So I'm gonna spot myself, call some CQs, and see what happens. Park to park, park to park. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, QSL.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India Sugar, you're 3 and 1, 1, 2, 3 by 1, over.
Correction on a call sign, it's Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, London Baker 0 Florida Italy. You are 5 by 9, 59 at Park Lima Alpha 0876, QSL. Same to you. Great activation. Enjoy your Sunday. 7-3. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air and 17 meters, CQ Parks on the air and 17 meters. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India going CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India going CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 0876. Park Lima Alpha 0876. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India going CQ Parks on the air. Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. Good morning, Don. How are you today?
Roger there, Morton. Very good morning to you there. And yeah, no problem. Yeah, still struggling on there, Morton. A nice signal from you there. 5 and 8, Morton, on this band there. And thanks for another part, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 5 and 8, Don. You're 5 and 9 today, so good signals. Testing out a new antenna, so thank you for getting back to me. 7-3.
Yeah, 7-3, Morton. Enjoy your day, and I hope the test goes all right on the area. All the best. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Station ending India Charlie, please come again.
Okay, good morning. Echo Alpha 1 Foxtrot India Charlie.
Echo Alpha 1 Foxtrot India Charlie, QSL. Thank you for the 5 and 5 in Spain. You're also a 5 and 5, also a 5 and 5 here in Norway, QSL.
Okay, QSL. Thank you so much for the activation.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo Zero Fox India. Sierra Papa 8 Quebec Charlie. Good morning, Andy. You're a 5 and 7 57 today. QSL. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo Zero Fox India. Papa Victor Zulu station. Come again, please. Italy Uniform 0 Papa Victor Zulu. QSL. Thank you for the 5 and 5. You are 5 and 9 here in southern Norway. Thank you for hunting 7-3. Echo Alpha station. Please come again. Echo Alpha 8, Echo Delta. You are 5 and 7, 57 here. QSL. QSL, Echo Alpha 8, Echo Delta, 5 and 7, 57 here. What's my signal report? Over. 7-3, bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo Zero Fox India. Okay, I got 7 in the log, or 8. Let me check here. I got 8 in the log as of now. 1 park to park on 17 and 7 other contacts. And I had a pilot for a little while on 17. Then I had some QRM, had to change frequency and everything died out. Tried 12 for a little bit. Nothing happened. Now I'm on 10. I'm going to see if I can find anything there. And there is a contest going on, so that makes things a bit tougher. But we'll make it work. I'm going to get at least 10 contacts today. This far, it looks like the new unun performs a lot better. So let's see how this goes. CQ Parks on the air. Italy Kilo 4, India Delta, Florida. Finally, someone coming back to me there. 5 and 9. 5 and 9 today, Rafael. Thank you as well, and thank you for hunting. Now I'm only need one more station now, so thank you. 7-3 and QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo Zero Fox India. Foxtrot 8 November Uniform Hotel QSL.
Foxtrot 8 November Uniform Hotel.
Roger, Foxtrot 8, November Uniform Hotel. 5 and 9 today, over.
Roger, many thanks for 5-9. Your report 5-9, 73, good activation, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 7-3, and I think I heard Stuart, Mike 0, Tango, Quebec in the background, is that correct?
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, you 5 and 5, 55, over.
Thank you for the 5 and 5, Stuart. I'm just going to put you in the log here. Thank you for the 5 and 5. You're 5 and 5 as well here. It's been a rough activation thus far, but I hope things goes better now. So thank you for hunting, Stuart. 7-3. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Sierra Victor 2 Hotel Sierra Zulu QSL. Wow, Kilo Papa 4 Mexico, QSL.
Roger, you are 3 by 3, Puerto Rico, 3 by 3, Puerto Rico, over.
Wow, thank you for the 3 by 3 Puerto Rico. You're my first Puerto Rico contact. You're a 5 and 5, 55, QSL.
Thank you for the proud. Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India. This is Kilo Papa 4 Mike.
QSL Kilo Papa 4 Mike. Thank you for hunting. This made my day. 7-3 and enjoy your Sunday.
7-3. Thank you very much.
Okay, activation done, and somewhat of a rough activation today. Managed to get a whooping 15 in the log, which it's not half bad. but it took a lot of work today, and I feel that the antenna performed a lot better than expected. Actually, a lot better than expected. The bands were crowded today. There's a contest going on, so wasn't really much space. I need to use the work bands, and having a random wire antenna for that is just great. You can tune up on 17 and 12 with no problem. I got the majority of my contacts on. Actually, I got all of my contacts on 17. I tried a couple of different bands but couldn't get through. Ended with a contact from Puerto Rico, and not the one on the Canary Islands, but Puerto Rico in the Caribbean. So activation went great. The antenna is a keeper. The unun is great. It's a cheap antenna to use. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do consider to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, there are ways down below in the description. You can either buy me a coffee or support my channel on Patreon. And until next time, 7-3.